Hey guys, today we're going to be finding the distance between a point and a line on a graph. So let's begin with question C. And the first thing you want to do here is just look at the equation here and just convert that to y equals mx plus b. So I'll just write that down here. And I'm just going to take away 2x on both sides. So that leaves us with 3y. That's equal to 6 minus 2x. If you divide everything by 3, you get y is equal to, I'll put the 2x first, minus 2/3 x plus 2. So the slope here, as you can see, is negative 2/3. But when we're finding the distance between a point and a line, we're gonna actually make the slope perpendicular. And so that would be the negative reciprocal of it, which would equal to 3/2. Okay, so now we can use y equals mx plus b, or even point slope form if you'd like. We're gonna plug in 6 for y and use 3/2 for our slope times the x, which is 7. 6, 7 plus b. And so we have 6, that's equal to 21/2 plus b. Okay, so 6 minus 21/2 is equal to negative 9/2. That's equal to b. So now I have the equation y equals 3/2 x minus 9/2. Okay, so now we can either do substitution or elimination to find what x and y are. I'll just do elimination right now. So we're going to minus this equation here. So that'll be y equals negative 2/3 x plus 2. Okay. So last one, you subtract them, you have y minus y, that's 0. 3/2 minus negative 2/3, and that's equal to 13/6 x. We have minus 9/2 minus 2, and that is minus 13/2. Move this to the other side. We have 13/2 is equal to 13/6 x. If you multiply both sides by 6/13, then you simply get 3, and that'll equal to x. Plug this x into this equation or that equation or even the original equation over here. Take it y, and I'll just use that original equation over here. That is 2x, which will be 3, plus 3y equals 6. 6 is equal, 6 plus 3y equals 6. And so therefore y just kind of has to be 0 because 3y is equal to 0. Okay, so you have a point here now, 3, 0. our other point here, 7, 6, we can plug those two values into the distance formula. Square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus we have y2 minus y1 squared. So I'll choose this to be my x2 and y2 and this to be my x1 and y1. So let's just take this out. Okay, so this is our x1. Sorry, x2. This is our y2. Oh wait, no, this is our x1. I meant this is our y2. Oh. And this is our y1. Okay, so now we can simplify this. D, that's equal to square root. We have 4 squared plus 6 squared, which is 36. So 16 plus 36, that's equal to 52. And that is also just equal to root 4 times 13, which you can just say that's equal to root 4 times root 13. You can split out the square roots when you're multiplying them inside, but never for adding, so keep that in mind. And that'll equal to 2 root 13. You don't actually have to simplify the square root. In fact, the question is asking us to round to 1 decimal place. And that would mean that the distance is around, let's see, 7.2 units. Okay, that's our answer. Just gonna box that up. Okay, next question. We're gonna do D. And with D, we're gonna do 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. So we're gonna just do this a little bit quicker. So we have 5x minus 10, that's equal to 2y. So you have y, that's equal to 5 halves x minus 5. So our slope is equal to 5 halves. And so our perpendicular slope is negative 2/5. Plug this into y equals mx plus b. Our y here is 4.5. I'll write that as 9 halves. And that's equal to a negative 2/5. X is 2 plus b. We now have 9 halves. That's equal to negative 4/5 plus b. And so we have 9 halves plus negative 4/5. That is, oh wait, no, that's plus. That's not plus 4/5. And that is 53 over 10. Okay, and that's equal to b. From here, we're gonna make our equation, and that equation is y equals the slope is negative 2/5 of x plus 53/10. Okay, so from here we're either gonna do elimination or substitution. Last time I did elimination, so this time I'll do substitution. So we're gonna simply plug in this part of the equation, and that's gonna equal to this part of the equation. So I'll just write that down here. 5 halves x minus 5 to, I'll just bring this over. Okay, there we go. That's equal to each other. Okay, so now we're just gonna solve for x. I'll bring my constants on this side and constants on this side, variables on this side. That's what I meant to say. So what we're gonna do is 53/10 is 5. That is 103/10. And that is going to equal 5 halves plus 2/5, which is 29/10 x. And now x, that would just equal to we're gonna multiply both sides by 10/29. So 103/10 times 10/29. That's going to equal to 103/29. Okay, so now we can just plug this into an equation. Do y equals 5 halves times 103/29 minus 5. Just put that into your calculator, and then we get 5 halves 103/29. Okay, minus 5. And so y is 225/58. And I'll just put all this into my calculator because it'll take too long just doing this by hand. So we have, oh wait, let's put our points down actually. We have 103. We'll make the bracket bigger. 103, 29ths, 225, 58ths, and other point, that's 2,9 halves. Okay, and so I'll just put all of that to the calculator. We have, okay, and that is going to equal to 9. Oh wait, I'll just do this, delete that. That's going to equal to approximately 1.7 if you put all that into your calculator with the formula. So that's the answer.